out on the dam. Got the kayak out. Quick paddle. Don't know what's going to hear. Sound is playing up. It's not telling me how deep we are. It's extremely shallow at this top end of the dam, so it's very handy to have. Guess we'll just go until we hit the bottom. I'm going to put yours on the chest and just have a few flicks around. It's pretty late in the afternoon. I had some stuff to do early in the morning today, so got all that done. We're out here for a couple of hours this afternoon. It's about 3:30 here now. I think sunset's about 5:36 at the moment. So we'll see how we go. There's an old fella over at the boat ramp. He said he got a couple of tilapia already this morning, so he's been there a while by the looks. His sunburn has. So I'm going to start out with this little fluoro vibe. It's just a blank I got off eBay, I think it was. Might have been Amazon. Just going to flick that around these sunken trees here. Oh, there we go. The sound is working again. 1.4 meters. Whoa! Had a hit. Missed him. What a mess. You know what? I'm going to fix that when I get home. Let's just put a different lure on this other rod and we'll fish with that. Oh, that feels bad. Alright. Got a hell of a mess in that other rod, so couldn't untangle it while I was on the water. I'm going to pack it up and we'll take this little friggin' surface lure on. There's a lot of little fish hitting the surface, so hopefully we can entice something. Small fish is better than no fish. I'm just heading up the back of the dam at the moment. I've never been up here before, so hopefully it doesn't get too shallow. What are we, 700 mil worth of water. There's another big fish just in front of me then. They got to be carp, eh? Have to be. Oh, another one off to the left. There's a big carp here right in front of me. See him? Big bastard with his back out of the water. I reckon a carp will take one of them. Let's find out. They're in 1.5 meters. Hopefully we don't bottom out. Oh shit. Is it a fish or a snag? Yeah, no, it's a fish. There we go, it hasn't done much yet. It's probably going to go spastic. Tilapia. Yep, spastic. Thanks for the shower, bro. You guys see? Oh, motherfucker, he got off. Whoa. Alright guys, the battery on this camera is about to die. It's starting to get pretty dark. Sun's going behind the mountain now, so I'm gonna call it quits. I'll probably troll all the way back to the boat ramp, but Guys, that was a pretty fun day out. Nice weather, freaking beautiful. We only had that one tilapia that we lost right beside the boat. I think I might look at upgrading the hooks on these little lures and come back out again. Don't know whether it'll be tomorrow. I've got a fair bit of house and yard work to get done, so might have to wait until next weekend. But there's a carp and tilapia comp coming up shortly, so it'd be nice to figure out some tips and tricks to catch these buggers. That trolling then seemed to be pretty effective. I did have a second hit, but it didn't stay on.